Hello, and welcome to Day 5 of Week 2 Packet. Hola, y bienvenido al día número 5 de semana número 2. Today, we're going to do 2 activities with letters and sounds. Then we're going to read the book, The Meaning of Numbers, and we're going to do 2 activities with numbers. Vamos a empezar con 2 actividades de letras y sonidos. Después vamos a leer un libro sobre números y vamos a hacer 2 actividades con números. Let's get started. So today we're going to be working on 2 letters at the end of our words. Hoy vamos a trabajar con 2 letras al final de las palabras. Let's start with a review about some letters we worked with last week. Vamos a hacer un repaso de letras de la semana pasada. Remember, the vowels in English make more than one sound. Recuerde, los vocales en inglés hacen más de un sonido, but we're going to focus on those short sounds. So, I'm going to say the name of the letter, a word that starts with that, and the sound. Yo voy a decir el nombre de la letra, una palabra que empieza con este sonido y el sonido. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Good. Now let's get back to our page. So for these words, we're going to focus on the letters at the end of the word. Para esas palabras, vamos a enfocarnos en los sonidos al final, en las letras al final de la palabra. We're going to tap it out. So I'm going to look at each of the letters, and I'm going to tap out on my fingers the sound that that letter makes. Let's do this one. I see the letters are S, A, N, D. So my sounds are S, A, N, D. Sand. These letters are M, I, L, K. My sounds are M, I, L, K. Milk. Here's J, U, M, P. So I have J, A, M, P. Jump. T, A, N, K. T, A, N, K. Tank. G, I, F, T. G, I, F, T. Gift. Great job. Now we're going to read through our words, our sentences, using our pictures. Gus runs in the sand. Bob can on a rock. Jump. Bev has a glass of milk. A frog is in the tank. Tim has a gift. Good. Now you can hit pause, re-say the words, and say the sentences. Pueden poner pausa, redecir las palabras, y redecir las oraciones. Ready for page 2? Okay. So on this one, we're working with different letters at the end of our words. This one says, Bob is next to Bev. Here's my word, nest. My letters are N, E, S, T, N, E, S, T, nest. D, E, S, K, D, E, S, K, desk. H-E-L-P, H-E-L-P, help. B-E-L-T, B-E-L-T, belt. T-E-N-T, T-E-N-T, tent. Great job. We're going to use the pictures to help us finish the sentences. Usamos los dibujos para finalizar las oraciones. The frog is next to the rock. The belt is on Nan's desk. Gus is next to the tent. The frog is in a nest. Tim yells, help. Great job. All right, we did our letters. Let's get to reading our book. Today's book is called The Meaning of Numbers. The meaning of numbers. A number has a meaning. 6 stars up in the sky. 2 laces on my sneakers. 10 stripes on Grandpa's tie. A number stands for something. A nickel is 5 cents. My cake has 8 red candles. Our car has 4 small dents. A number tells a story. 30 pieces of a vase. 9. Oh, the 9 I wore the day I won our town's first running race. Great job. Now you can hit pause. You can re-listen to the story and count. Pueden poner pausa para reescuchar el libro y contar con las ilustraciones. All right, now we're going to look at the numbers in order. Los números en orden.
Help me, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is the number, and here are the letters we use to spell the word. Now on this side, they're all mixed up. The numbers are in order, but there are no words. Los números están en orden, pero no hay unas palabras. And the words are all mixed up. Y las palabras están todas mezcladas. So I want you to use this side to help you fill in these numbers here. On the top, these are all the ways to spell the words. Let's do one. This number is 0. 0. 7, 0, 6. 0. Good job. This is number 1. 1. And where is 1 here? Here it is. Please write 1. O-N-E. Here's number 2. 2, and my letters are T, W, O. Here they are, T, W, O. Right there. 3. 3. It says T, H, R, E, E. Here it is. You can go through and do it all for, let's count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now on the bottom, this says count and choose the correct answer. Here we have to count the fingers. This one is 1. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 9 and 3. So you can count the fingers, pueden contar los dedos, and use the numbers here and here to help you write in the words. Now let's do page 2.
Mom, I love you.
Now we're going to use numbers to talk about what we have. Ahora vamos a usar números para hablar de lo que tenemos. Right now it says, I have, yo tengo, stars. Yo tengo estrellas. But over here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it should say, I have 4 stars. Here it says, I have 3 stars. It's a little different. That's okay. For this part, you are going to draw. Por esta parte, ustedes van a dibujar. You can draw stars. On this part, you can draw 1 star, 2 star, 10 stars. And then we're going to write, I have stars. So if you want to draw 10 stars on the line, you can write, I have 10 stars. You can write, I have 10 stars. Now, maybe you don't want to draw stars. Maybe you want to draw something different. That's okay. Si no quieren dibujar estrellas, ustedes pueden dibujar algo diferente, like a ball. I have 10 balls. I have 10 balls. We have our different books that we read, so you can do something about. So you can use any words from the books that we've been reading. Pueden usar cualquier palabra de los libros que hemos leído. But I want to make sure that you write out the sentence, que escriben la oración con la palabra letras, with the word and its letters, and then we're going to say it out loud too. Y también vamos a decirlo en voz alta. All right, you guys did a great job. What we're going to do now is we're going to count one last time to 10 to practice. And here's James to help us. Okay, ahora vamos a contar a 10. All right, James, can you do that for us?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job, everybody. Congratulations on finishing week 2. Felicidades en cumplir semana número 2. Nos vemos la semana que viene. I'll see you next week. I miss you. James, say bye.
Bye.